Apple Watch saves life of a woman by detecting the Widowmaker heart attack, which was not felt by the wearer.
Mm-hmm.
Widowmaker is a name, a descriptive term, I guess, for a certain type of heart attack,
Right.
which would kill people, obviously, creating, therefore, widows. Once more, the Apple Watch was triumphant in preventing a tragedy befalling a family by alerting a woman of a heart attack that she did not realize had taken place. The wearer, who resides in Michigan, states that the smartwatch alerted her to a high heart rate, prompting her to seek medical attention. And later, finding out what it was, her heart rate was at 169 beats per minute. And I happen to know, I do a little exercise here and there. That's a heart rate right there.
Mm-hmm.
You get up to that 169, you're breathing pretty good. You're going pretty good. I think my peak is like in the high 180s at like full, like just going after it.
What were you doing? Just running?
Oh, just biking, like on a what do you call those bikes? Like a stationary bike,
Right.
indoor bike.
Yeah.
But most days I'm not even feeling that. Most days I'm looking at if I'm looking at 180, I'm like, oh, leave me alone.
Yeah.
Like I would just take it up to, I don't know, 120, 130, something like that. But I mean, if you're doing serious exercise and you're used to getting your heart up around here, but if you're just chilling like this woman and the watch knows you're just chilling and it sees 169, it's going to say, hey, go take a look at this.
Yeah. I mean, I think with a male heart attack, it's like what's described as they feel like an elephant on their chest. But with the female heart attack, there's swelling in the left foot. There's some acid reflux. And, vacuum and put muscles out of whack somehow. There's like pain.
My goodness. This is, that's different.
But somehow she just went to the hospital and then they're like, yeah, you're having a heart attack. And they fixed her up and she's ready to go.
I guess they had to do surgery or no. The emergency room gave her aspirin. After further examinations, determined that she had a blockage in the Widowmaker artery. Okay, so there's an actual artery that goes by that terminology as well, that you don't want to have that one blocked up.
Yes.
Feenstra credits the Apple Watch for saving her life, as she says that on the wearable, you can easily monitor your heart rate. Yeah. Crazy, wild stuff. I mean, we're going to hear more and more of this. It's not just, I mean, this one, we've had heart rate for a long time, but you also have the new trackers in there for ECG and whatnot, for even more analysis of one's heart. But certainly cool. And I just add this one to the list of people that have benefited from these types of warnings.
She got it as a birthday gift from her husband.
Look at that.
Nice.
He saved her life.
Nice little story.
Him and Tim saved her life.